My biggest challenge was educating all the leaders that data drives decisions. When I started, there were 3 or 4 HR generalists, and they would do all the data entry. And it wasn't standardized. I'm sure everybody has heard the term garbage in, garbage out. We were on paper time off requests. Our performance management was paper. Time cards were paper. Everything was paper, and now everything's automated. We use everything from recruitment to onboarding, talent, learning, payroll, you name it, we use it because we want ADP to be our one-stop shop. We have 12 manufacturing locations. I was able to create one pay profile for each location that would encompass all of the shifts and the shift differential based on the employees' punches. So no matter what shift they worked, they were getting paid the correct shift differential. We have long-haul drivers for rules and regulations. They have to keep track of all their hours in the logbook. With ADP, we were able to automate their variable rates based on their drive time, mileage, their sit time, and make it so that instead of the manager putting it in an Excel spreadsheet, they could add it right on the time card in ADP time. When I started, we were mailing 2-inch packages to our new hires. Now it's all automated. They get a welcome email, asks them to log into my ADP, and they do not have to see a piece of paper. ADP makes sure that anything that we need to stay in compliance with employee data is there for us. ADP has actually made it so that I can do what I enjoy, which is problem solving and automation, and it frees me up and my team from the minutia. I stake my reputation on our data integrity, and a lot of that is because of ADP. They've given me the tools to make sure that my data is right. I truly look at them as a partner. They're absolutely fabulous.